Yeah, today lesson is system of circles, and this is Chandramouli CM sir, and I am uploading a video for system of circles. First I will go for concepts, and after that I will give you some questions. That is, I will solve some standard questions with solutions, and I will upload on the YouTube. First you go through the system of circles. Now I am explaining that. See on the board it was given. Very clear. So here there are three types of system of circles are there. There is nothing but one is non-intersecting, non-touching. That is, a distance between center to center of the circle is more than sum of the radii. So whenever center to center distance is more than R1, R2, so automatically this is R1, this is R2, and this is D. So automatically the non-intersecting and non-touching you will get. So D is greater than R1 plus R2. Non-intersecting and non-touching. So this is known as R1. This is R2, and of course between center to center is the distance D. So D is greater than R1 plus R2. Then automatically non-intersecting, non-touching they will be. And this is D, center to center distance. So first is the system non-intersecting, non-touching, D greater than R1. And denoted by family of circles or system of circles, S plus lambda S dash, where lambda belongs to some real number. If you go on submitting lambda value for any number, all time you get so many circles and they belong to same family, all the circle non-intersecting, non-touching type only you get. And the second system, D is equal to R1 plus R2. Distance from the center is equal to sum of the radii. They touch each other externally. They touch each other externally. So same here, if you S plus lambda S dash, lambda is any real number. You go on the take parental elements S and S dash here, it will form a system, family of circles, and all circles they pass through same point and they follow the condition, touch each other externally only. Similarly, D is less than R1 plus R2. So they intersect. If you form a system or family of circles S plus lambda S dash, where S is fundamental circles, parental elements, they will produce a family, all belong to same set, that is intersecting system. Here, in the place of S dash, you can use L also sometimes. What is L? Radical axis, common tangent and common chord. And this is not common tangent, not common chord. But if you take S minus S dash is equal to 0, you know in the first year we do circumcenter. There we use SA square is equal to SB square. So it is a perpendicular bisector of the both centers of the circle. That is nothing but sometimes it become what you call radical axis, and other two cases common chord and common tangent is radical axis. It is nothing but S minus S dash is equal to 0. If you make SA is equal to SB, first year circumcenter, you get the same line equation. Here that is only called radical axis. There we use a distance between 2 points, that is nothing but here circle equation. X minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square is equal to x minus x2 whole square, y minus y2 whole square. You will get a perpendicular bisector of the x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is center of the circles. That is nothing but here radical axis. And another line passing through centers of the family of all circles known as line of center, LC. And this is radical axis. Here it is common tangent, here it is common chord. So there are the three cases. Once again I repeat, two circles will be there, parental circles, and it is S and S dash. They will be joined, S plus lambda S dash, lambda being any real number. If you go on putting lambda is equal to different values, including these two members, you get all circles. And fundamentally, if they are non-intersecting type, all family will become same system, non-intersecting. Similarly, when D is equal to R1 plus R2 touch each other externally, and S plus lambda S dash, different values of lambda including these two elements, you get total system family of the circle all touching at the same point, and radical axis become common tangent joining the center called line of center. If the center to center distance is less than sum of the radii, they intersect each other. And same, if you form a family S plus lambda S dash or S plus lambda L, where L is a radical axis, S minus S dash is equal to 0, it will give you infinity circles members of the same family. Fundamental condition is intersecting. So all circles will give you same condition. So there are three: non-intersecting, non-touching, touch each other external, and intersecting each other. All the three cases, line of center is there, joining the all centers, and perpendicular to that and perpendicular bisector of the center of the parent element circles will give you their radical axis, here radical axis and common tangent, here radical axis and common chord. Formula is S minus S dash is equal to 0. Now please ask your doubts, post your doubts in the Facebook. My name is CM Sir Oruganti or Chandramouli Oruganti. I have given my WhatsApp number there. If you post your doubts up to engineering first year, immediately within 24 hours I will respond. I will make a video and upload in the YouTube, and I will send you link. Okay, please you can ask your doubts. Done. Bye.